Earning your Certified Quality Auditor CQA certification is a major achievement, but your learning journey doesn't stop here. To stay competitive, advance your career, and specialize in high-demand areas, ongoing education and advanced certifications are essential. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Why continuing education is critical for quality auditors. 2. Advanced certifications to expand your career opportunities. 3. Specialization areas in quality auditing. 4. Building a long-term learning and career plan. By investing in lifelong learning, auditors can stay ahead of industry trends and maximize their career potential. 1. Why continuing education is critical for quality auditors. Keeping up with industry standards. ISO standards and regulatory requirements change frequently. Expanding career opportunities. New certifications open doors to leadership roles and higher-paying positions. Increasing your value to employers. Advanced training in risk-based auditing, Six Sigma, and compliance management makes auditors more valuable. 2. Advanced certifications to expand your career opportunities. Certified Quality Engineer, CQE, focuses on quality control, statistical process control, and reliability engineering. Certified Six Sigma Black Belt, CSSBB, specializes in data-driven process improvement and waste reduction. ISO Lead Auditor certifications, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 27001, required for professionals conducting third-party certification audits. Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence, CMQOE, designed for quality managers and senior professionals. Certified Risk and Compliance Management Professional, CRCMP, best for professionals in finance, healthcare, and IT security. 3. Specialization areas in quality auditing, risk-based auditing and compliance certifications, ISO 31000 Risk Management, CRCMP. Environmental Health and Safety, EHS auditing certifications, ISO 4001, ISO 40001. Cybersecurity and IT auditing certifications, ISO 27001 Lead Auditor, CISA. Lean Six Sigma and Process Improvement certifications, Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, CQIA. 4. Building a long-term learning and career plan. Set career goals and choose the right certifications. Identify which certifications align with your industry and career aspirations. Stay engaged in professional organizations. Join ASQ, IIA, and ISO committees. Gain practical experience through audits and training. Volunteer for complex audit assignments and train junior auditors. Key takeaways. Continuing education is essential for staying updated on evolving standards and regulations. Advanced certifications like Six Sigma, ISO Lead Auditor, and CMQOE offer career growth opportunities. Specialization in areas like risk management, cybersecurity, and process improvement enhances career prospects. Strategic learning, networking, and hands-on experience help auditors move into leadership roles. By investing in advanced education and certifications, auditors can maximize their career potential and become industry leaders. This concludes our Certified Quality Auditor CQA training series. Best of luck in your career journey.